people, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is safe and sound at their home and is self-isolating. So today I came up with this very creative idea with my friend. So we came up with this challenge known as Truth or Drink. And we have a very special guest here with us today. So if you follow me on Instagram, so you must know who she is. So hi Sia, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video.
Hi Cheshta, how are you?
I'm great. So basically we came up with this idea that we'll do this video together. This was meant to be like together practically, but since COVID happened again, so yeah, we're doing it virtually.
Yeah, we have to shoot it virtually.
We have to do with what we have to do. So
we'll just explain the challenge to you.
We'll explain the challenge to you.
We will be asking each other questions, truth questions, and if you are not able to answer them, you have to drink a coffee shot.
Yes.
And I am ready with these.
Yeah, even I have my
And
coffee
shots plus chocolate, just in case.
Bro, I don't have chocolate.
Just in case. Just get them, because I swear to God, when I was making the coffee shot, it was
Bro, by the
stinking
way,
so bad.
by the way, have
I was
you
"Yeah, oh my
added
God,
sugar?
I'm just not ready for this.
Have you added sugar?
No, not at all.
No,
Have you added
मैंने
sugar?
नहीं किया.
You've added sugar?
नहीं,
You've added
बिल्कुल
sugar?
नहीं. Bro, by the way,
बस ठीक है फिर तो I have added like इतनी.
yeah, it's without sugar, so it's basically black coffee shots.
गंदा. It's like.
Going.
Ew.
That's the challenge. That's the
That was
challenge.
so good.
So we'll be having 2 rounds.
3 rounds, yeah.
So in first 2 rounds,
Yeah,
we're
2
gonna
rounds.
simply ask each other questions, truth questions, and Sia explain them like the second round.
So in the second round, we'll be asking, Cheshta will be asking questions which she has prepared, and we both will be
Yes.
answering them. It's like a common question for
Yeah.
both of us. It's like they are like just general questions. It's not like a
Yes.
truth question or something.
It's like
just
a
on general topics.
Didi
and,
sister talk.
normal. In all, we won't be taking the coffee shot.
Yeah.
In the second round,
we
we won't be taking the coffee shot because it's just a general question. It's not a
Yes.
truth question.
So let's begin, guys. Let's stir the pot.
First question that I am asking Cheshta is, what is that one thing or secret which no one knows about you?
Bro, I don't know. I don't have that many secrets, which I'll keep to myself. But I don't know, bro.
You know, when
No secret.
I was making the questions, I was like, इसका आंसर मेरे को भी नहीं पता. Like even I don't
हाँ,
have any
like-
secrets. मतलब ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि
Yeah.
जो मेरे बारे में
There's
किसी को ना
nothing
पता हो.
as such, because जो भी है, almost everybody knows.
But if you don't answer,
But
you
there's
have to.
nothing. Literally,
You have to
there's
drink the coffee shot
nothing.
if you
तो
don't
मैं क्या
have
करूँ?
But how do I know that you don't have anything to hide?
Like,
So you have to.
Even
do
if
it.
I don't
I
have
mean,
a
how do
secret,
I
I
know?
also have to drink it.
No, because you are not answering the question. No? That's why.
Bro,
You don't answer the
literally,
question.
I don't have any secret.
Yeah.
as
If you don't answer
of
the question,
that
that's
sort.
the trick. If you don't answer the question.
Chalo, okay, so this is our first coffee shot, guys. Officially the first coffee shot, and I'm taking it.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1. My turn now. You have to ask me. I'm so scared.
Okay, so alright, so Sia, the truth question for you is that what is your worst habit?
My worst habit. I know this question is very easy, but like my worst habit is to eat ice. I mean, this is like my worst habit.
Bro,
Because,
that's
yeah,
not worst. Even I eat
Bro,
ice.
that is,
like,
you know,
even I eat
like,
ice.
no, you don't eat that much ice, but like I have been in situations when I have finished 2-3 trays in one day, and literally my nose used to
Bro,
bleed
what?
in summers. Can you? Yeah,
What?
that is why I'm saying. That is why I'm
Are
saying
you
worst
serious?
habit. I used to
Are
eat
you-
2-3 trays. Yeah, in one day, and my nose used to literally bleed at the end of the day.
Why? Like you drink it because you're feeling hot, yeah? ऐसी.
No,
बस-
no. Yeah, I am hot.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Like the crunch in my mouth. So.
Bro, you can have Doritos for the crunch.
No यार, like आइस का ना वो अलग ही होता है मतलब मजा. कोई इतनी इससे भी ज़्यादा worst कोई मेरी habit है नहीं, so I'm saved.
Okay.
Okay, next
let's
question.
move on.
Cheshta, your
Yes.
turn. Be ready.
Okay, I'm scared.
Okay, so the next question is something that brought a smile to your face this week was.
bro, like this week.
Yeah, something
I'll
that
have to
brought a
think.
smile.
Bro, so okay, so yesterday, like I was sick. I told you, right? I was sick, so like I was laying in the bed, and like my mom all of a sudden came. Like she was trying to scold me, but then
Okay.
she couldn't because I was tired. So like we
Okay.
both started laughing. So that was like very cute.
Okay, acceptable. Good answer.
Yeah,
Okay, my turn.
acceptable. All
Yeah.
right. Bro,
So now it's my turn to answer.
so yeah, so the next question for you, Sia, is that so this is a little spicy, but what is the secret that you have, like the biggest secret that you have kept from your parents while growing up?
See, to be very honest,
Bro,
I don't have a secret. Okay, but I have to answer this. Otherwise, I'll have to drink a
Yes,
shot.
but
है ना? मतलब
bro,
balance
everyone
करना
has a
पड़ेगा
secret
इसे.
while growing up.
Sure.
Like you cannot
Bro,
deny it.
see,
Like एक ना एक secret तो किसी ना किसी का होता है that you like hide from your parents. Like even if they know
यार
it
नहीं
now.
होगा. You
Even
know,
if they know it now, you can
so see, to be very honest, me and my mom are like kind of best friends. So I tell her literally everything, and when let me think over like if I have something.
then take a shot.
They literally know like everything about me. I am so shocked right now.
It's
कुछ
okay.
है ही नहीं, like I have hid from them. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So here I go. Wait a second. Like
Yes,
है ना
same,
same ना
exactly
मतलब
same.
होता है ऐसे. मेरा relationship ऐसा है मम्मी पापा के साथ.
Yes.
Ready with the chocolate and the coffee shot. इसको खोलना ही पड़ेगा मेरे को अगर by chance में गंदा था बहुत ज़्यादा लग गया तो let me be ready with it.
Yes. Come on,
यार
let's
I'm
do
so
this.
scared यार. I'll take सबसे कम वाला. This one. It's like half filled.
Bro, this is look
It's-
at
it's
my
your
shorts.
mistake.
Look at my shorts. They're like completely
your-
full. Look at that, bro. This is
Bro,
cheating.
it's your
You have
mistake
to-
ना. तेरे को आधा बनना चाहिए था.
Bro, ये cheating
देखो,
है.
आधा बनना
ऐसे नहीं चलेगा.
अच्छा आधा you drink आधा ना.
Bro, this is
अच्छा ठीक
cheating.
है I'll
This
take
is
this
not
one,
done.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
चलो,
अच्छा
okay,
नहीं
then
है. You also take half it. मैं
Yeah,
नहीं वाला
take
पी
full.
Okay.
Okay. Haven't you had like Starbucks?
No. Without sugar, never.
Yeah,
I
like
put
I
sugar in
had
everything. I'm
without
such a-
sugar.
I have a.
So it's like very very bitter. But like मतलब मैं without sugar भी ले लेती हूँ. मुझे ऐसा as such नहीं है कि oh my god I can't take it.
So your next question is, whose name do you look for in your Instagram story views?
Bro.
There must be someone, bro. I mean,
Okay, so bro, I know this friend of mine. Okay, so she stalks me with there's this account she stalks me with. I know it is hers, but I don't know if she knows it is like if she knows that I know or not. So yeah.
but now she got to know.
Yeah, now
but
she got to know that I know.
Because you
So yeah.
amazing. You saved yourself.
So
nice
yeah,
one.
basically I
Okay.
just go down because I don't follow that account. So it's almost there. I don't look for it. If it's there, then okay, fine. Yeah, she was stalking me today. Aisa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get it.
So I don't have to take the shot.
Okay, next.
Next question is, what is one thing you dislike about me? You have to answer. Bro, you have to answer.
यार दिस इज लाइक ऐसा कुछ है नहीं पता है. Oh God,
Bro,
मेरे को नहीं
I know,
short यार.
ऐसा नहीं है. Even if you ask me, even I'll say the same thing. But still, you have to like answer one thing. Bro, कुछ तो होगा. Like you know, everyone has something. At any instance, तुझे कुछ भी लगाओ. Bro, still मतलब
There
कुछ
is
तो होगा ना.
nothing
Like
changed.
कुछ
Why
तो
would I
होता ही
dislike
है.
something about you? मतलब
Just think over it.
Okay, there's one thing.
Okay,
this is-
yeah.
this is
Yeah,
like,
I'm
you ढूंढ के
excited.
लेके आई हो.
I'm excited. Bring it
it's
on.
Not, it's see, it's like कि I am the kind of person who replies to text the second I get them. So I don't like
Oh.
late replies, okay? And you reply very late, so I don't like that.
Bro, but it's same with
That's
like
my answer.
everyone. Like it's same with everyone in my list. Matlab, I literally reply very late.
You reply late, ना?
हाँ,
Yeah,
like
see, I
It's like very common to
I-
me. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि बहुत तुम late reply करते हो. I'm like fine.
मैं literally 1 second बाद reply करती हूँ because मेरे हाथ में
Yes,
साथ
yeah,
में phone
like
रहता है.
she replies like instantly, like in seconds.
Yeah,
like if you text
exactly.
her
in
and
a
she's online.
second. Yeah. So it's
Okay,
your
so
turn,
what-
right? It's your turn. Okay. So your next
Okay, so
question
the next
is.
question is.
Your next question is, what is your biggest regret?
Bro,
But like the
yeah,
biggest
so
one.
the biggest regret would be like, so I was in the school in like my last city. So you know, usme na, in that school had like a lot of opportunities. But I literally wasted my time. Like I literally wasted my time on friends and you know like just chasing people and you know just bunking classes. But that school was actually like very happening and like the people there were very
Okay.
talented.
Hmm.
So matlab, I didn't utilize that period of my life. So I literally like regret it.
Okay. मेरे पास भी कोई आंसर
Yeah, because I don't have like
spicy
regrets.
answer. I don't have any spicy
as
answer to
such
this
कि
question.
मतलब oh my god I regret that so much. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just like common regrets.
Yeah, same.
है ना?
Same. Because yeah, 50% of the things I don't even
Exactly,
remember from the
same.
past. मतलब मेरे को तो याद भी नहीं ऐसा हुआ था like you know.
हाँ.
So it's just that I just
है ना?
move
Same.
on. I mean, I just live in the
Yes.
present time now. Oh my god, this is getting philosophical. Okay.
So Sia, the next question for you is: have you created a fake rumor for someone, and what
No.
it is? Bro, seriously?
No. No, I haven't. Yeah, I haven't created a fake rumor for
Wow.
anyone.
Even I haven't, by the way.
Rumor of anyone. Like I haven't created a rumor of anyone because high five, virtual high five.
High five.
I don't even believe in rumors, you know, because मेरे को अगर कोई आके किसी के बारे में बोलेगा ना कि you know that person is like that, I don't believe that
Mhm.
because you know मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know कि
Exactly,
what if
you
they're
don't
lying,
know what
you know?
they're,
You don't even
like,
know if
what they're
that's
going through
correct,
or
so I don't
whatever.
even believe in rumors.
You don't know that person
Yeah.
personally, so.
Yeah, exactly. And their intentions, you know, the person who's spreading the rumor, उसकी intention
exactly.
is obviously bad.
Yes,
yeah.
true.
Question you have to answer अच्छे से, ठीक है? अच्छे से answer करना. What are you most looking forward to in your married life?
Oh, nahi, not this question. Bro, I'm not even thinking about it. Like, itna dur ki.
No, इतनी दूर की हाँ मतलब like there's something you must be you know looking forward to in your married life. कुछ तो होगा
Bro,
ऐसा. Like, अभी सोच ले.
So, literally,
something
not
you
even a
know,
single thought have I given to that topic in my entire life.
Can be you know
What?
it can
Yeah,
be
even
what?
you don't know what to answer.
Yeah, I mean.
Wait, let me
it
think.
can be traveling the world with your.
Bro, I think that's obvious.
other half.
That's obvious,
That's
I
okay,
guess.
अरे ठीक है, I ask you another question. ठीक है, मेरे पास एक और है. So the next question is that हाँ, so the next question by Cheshta is that if you could have it your way, who would you be with and what would you be doing?
Here we are with the last truth question. What is like your most embarrassing moment in public?
Oh, you know, I was like so expecting this question. मतलब मैंने ना पहले से answer decide करके रखा हुआ था. So,
Really?
I'll tell you.
Proceed.
So I went to my mom's cousin's place to watch their wedding album, ठीक है? And उसमें like the bride and the groom की अभी newly शादी हुई थी, बस recently शादी हुई थी. They were sitting on my सामने and I was opening the album. मैंने
Okay.
सीधा खोला and there was this very beautiful bride, you know, in the झूला. मैंने पूछा ये कौन है? And मतलब वो सामने बैठे हुए थे मेरे. And you can you believe that? मतलब तेरे को समझ में आया मैंने क्या बोला? I was like ये कौन है? Because उनको पहचान में नहीं आया bro ये कौन है? I was like ये कौन है सामने? Because वो इतना ज़्यादा वो मेकअप you know किया होता तो पता नहीं चलता कि you know bride का कि कौन है असली में. And मतलब वो मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेक लग रहा था. मेरे को पता नहीं क्या आया दिमाग में. मैंने बोल दिया कि ये कौन है? And वो सामने बैठे थे. I was like ये मैं हूँ. I was like okay sorry. My mom was giving me looks. She's like Sia ये वो है.
Anyway, so this was like the first round.
I saved 2 coffee shots. I'm proud of myself. I just drank one and she
I have
drank
saved
2.
like 3 coffee shots. I
Hi.
drank 2.
You made 5. I was so you know ऐसे like I had faith in myself कि मेरे को 5 में से मैं 2 तो आंसर करूँगी. So I made only 3 shots. That's why I am saved. Like मेरे पास
I
2
made like 5 shots.
You made 5. No, I was like I had faith in myself कि चलो 2 तो आंसर कर ही दूँगी. So I just drank 1 and 2 are left.
Yes, bro, it was like fun.
Yeah, it was fun. अच्छा last round है ना अभी तो.
Yes. So
Cheshta
last
has-
round is basically deep conversations. Okay, so like I have few common questions that we'll just like discuss together. Okay? Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so the first question is, so this is basically a sister talk, so you know you can literally hear us out.
Yeah. it's
Now
like
we're in 12th, so we're like, you know,
big
what do you call
girls.
it? We're ready. Big girls, big girl talk.
Yes.
What is the feeling that you miss the most?
I think I miss going to school a lot. I mean,
Bro, same.
the way that
Same.
Corona has.
Even
है
I
ना?
wrote
ये
this.
same ना. I mean,
Even I wrote this.
the way that Corona has ruined our 11th and 12th grades
I
is like
swear to
horrible
God.
because I was expecting so much fun, like you know,
Bro, you won't
in 11th and 12th,
believe
obviously
this.
because there are so many.
Like I have the same answer going to school, but you know what? Like with me, it's like more of a messed up situation because पता है I got shifted here, ठीक है? And the day I got shifted
Yeah.
here, उसके अगले दिन से it was lockdown. So like from the place that I came,
wow.
I had these expectations कि like you know, you go to new city and you expect something, you know, you find new people, you make new friends.
Yeah.
And obviously like आप एक बिल्कुल
Yes.
नए स्कूल में जा रहे हो, so you have this you know excitement कि like you're going to a new school, just new start, you know, and everything got ruined because of COVID. So like I was expecting
Yes.
a lot.
Yeah.
I was expecting a lot from life like these 2 years, but again
Yeah, same. I was waiting for my 10th grade to get over and us having a lot of fun in school because
है ना?
11th and 12th so like अलग ही मजा आता है school
bro,
में.
the last question, so it is that what advice would you give to your younger generation?
To my younger version ना मतलब मैं अपने
Yeah,
अच्छा नहीं
to your
like
younger
अपने की,
version.
like general अच्छा my younger version I think so the advice that I would give to my younger version is that I would just say that don't get influenced by people because I've been surrounded by very very negative people in like my childhood and you know it has affected me a bit but then I used to get back to normal. It was like that ki, and now I'm like pretty much stable and balanced in life so I would be much better if that would not have. Okay, so now it's Cheshta's turn to answer the question.
Okay, yeah. So basically what I would want to say to like my younger self would be like not to chase friends, you know, like all our childhood we're like
Yeah.
expecting people to meet our expectations, but I feel like you know we have always degraded the value of our family. Like I'll fight with my parents to you know go with friends or you know just ignore your
Yeah.
sister to go with friends, and those friends are like not there anymore in your life. So the thing is like
Yeah,
your
that's
family
true.
is what you have, so like invest time in your family rather than you know chasing people.
Yeah.
And to like invest time in growing yourself, like just you know learn something new, do something creative and like grow yourself, and you know just don't waste time.
Exactly.
So yeah, that would be like my advice to my younger self.
Yeah, it was very fun.
So guys, that was it for this video. It was really fun shooting with Sia, and do go subscribe to her channel. She makes some amazing content related to vlogs and challenges, and we may film like another video for her channel as well, so stay tuned for that.
Subscribe to Change the channel also. And she's very hardworking, so you should just subscribe to her and like all her videos.